Hi, Franklin Pillsbury with MarineMax here in Fort Myers. Got a great 2017 27-foot Boston Whaler Vantage ready for you to take a look at, ready for you to get out and enjoy. Pair of 300 horsepower Mercury outboards on the back, joystick on this boat, as well as the electronics. Back seat, if we want to sit and enjoy the boat, got this area back here, very easily converts. So if I want to go fishing, I've got all this space and all this room. This boat also has a canopy that extends out the back so that we've got good shade here in the aft area. This boat does a lot of conversions. There's a table that goes right here, so if we want to sit down here and use the table, use it opposite over here of the other, we can. But watch this. Oh, and by the way, this has a live well built in right here underneath the seat. Check that out. Big lounge area right here so that you can really enjoy different aspects of the boat. Also want to show you real quick, big head area with a vacuum flush toilet so the ladies can stay out and enjoy boating all day long. Mentioned at the helm, the joystick, Raymarine electronics, really nice fusion stereo, awesome boat. Stainless steel cap on the windshield, hardtop. Come up in the bow area, plenty of room here to sit and enjoy the bow. This bottom of this boat has a reverse chime so you never get any spray up here. Great storage area here on the side where you can slide things like your net or big items down in there. And this boat has an electric anchor windlass that you can operate from up here at the front or from the helm. This boat's not going to last long. Give me a call. I'm here at MarineMax in Fort Myers, 2017, 27-foot Boston Whaler Dauntless, twin 300 horsepower Mercuries, and by the way, there's some warranty left on it as well. Give me a call.